attend ng hearings or even magtrabaho.
So si Sen Loren, any update? Kailan siya babalik?
Nagpa-file siya ng medical leave. Hindi rin niya kinukuha yung kanyang sweldo. In fact, yung mga senators na naka-detain and yung senators at large, hindi rin nila kinukuha yung sweldo nila voluntarily.
Were you made aware of her illness? If you can share it to us kung may sinabi siyang particular
Ayoko,
illness.
it's a very personal issue.
But you were made aware
Alam
of it
ko,
already?
alam ko yung kanyang sakit. Even prior to this, no, we're personal friends as well. So, nasabi niya yun, meron siyang sakit na seryoso.
Sir, kumusta yung opisina ni Senator Bato?
Wala akong balitang kakaiba, no? So it's functioning. So wala naman akong naririnig na ibang balita.
SP, kailan po nag-start na hindi tumanggap ng sweldo si Sen Loren?
Nung nag-leave, file siya ng medical leave, hindi niya na tinanggap yung sweldo niya. So we've instructed the accounting department and payroll department na i-suspend yung pagbibigay ng kanyang sweldo.
Or no